How can you tell the real olive oil from the ones that have been changed? How can you tell the different kinds of olive oil apart? Olive oil has many health benefits that the body needs, which is why many people are interested in it. However, getting these wonderful benefits depends on choosing the right type and quality of olive oil. Unfortunately, many people don't know what the best type of olive oil is. In this video, we will show you what the best type of olive oil is and how to choose it. Welcome back! If you're interested in olive oil and all the good things it can do for your body, you should know what kind is best. There are 5 common kinds of olive oil. The first is pure olive oil, which is exactly what its name says. This type of oil isn't pure at all. It's made by mixing virgin or extra virgin olive oil with refined olive oil. Second, olive goes through a process to create refined olive oil, which includes mechanical and thermal operations as well as the addition of some preservatives. The third type of olive oil is olive pumice oil. This type is thought to be the worst because it is made from the leftovers after the olives are pressed. The fourth type, virgin olive oil. This oil is similar to extra virgin olive oil, but its acidity runs from 0.8% to 2%. The fifth type of olive oil is extra virgin olive oil. To make this type of oil, the olives shouldn't be stored for more than 24 hours after being picked, and the oil should be squeezed within that time frame. Cold pressing uncontaminated olives without the use of chemicals or high temperatures results in extra virgin olive oil, which has a very low acidity of up to 1%. Extra virgin olive oil needs to be stored in a bottle that doesn't let light in. This prevents a process called photooxidation, which lowers the nutritional value of olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is the best type because it has less acidity than standard virgin olive oil. It also keeps most of the natural flavor, aroma, and golden and green color of the olive fruit. Dear fans, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that everyone can benefit. Tell us what you think in the comments. And if you're a new subscriber, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can see all of our new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!